Today, we're diving into what could be the most exciting drone release of the year, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. With its perfect blend of portability and powerful features, this compact marvel is set to revolutionize the drone world. Whether you're a content creator, a travel enthusiast, or a professional drone pilot, this new release promises to check all the right boxes. We're going to explore everything we know so far, from leaks and rumors to expectations around the camera, design, and potential release timeline. Let's see why the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the most advanced mini drone ever made. Why the DJI Mini series continues to dominate. Over the past few years, the DJI Mini series has become synonymous with compact, high-performance drones. The balance between portability and advanced functionality has made it the go-to option for everyone from beginners to professional videographers. Whether you're just starting out with drone flying or are a seasoned pilot chasing cinematic shots, the Mini series has consistently delivered. The Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro received rave reviews, and now, with the upcoming Mini 5 Pro, excitement is at an all-time high. One of the standout features of the Mini series has always been its weight. Each model weighs less than 249 grams. This allows users to fly without dealing with complicated regulations, especially in countries like the US, where lighter drones are often exempt from registration requirements. This makes the Mini series ideal for spontaneous creators and adventurers who don't want to be bogged down by bureaucracy. Industry insiders and drone enthusiasts alike are buzzing about the rumored release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro in summer 2025. While exact dates are still up in the air, many believe we could see it arrive by July 2025, based on DJI's predictable release patterns. Early teasers, leaks, and promotional materials may start popping up by late June, setting the stage for an exciting mid-year launch. DJI is sticking to the lightweight formula with the Mini 5 Pro, ensuring it remains under the 250 G mark. But don't let the small size fool you. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to pack some seriously impressive upgrades, offering capabilities that go beyond its size. It's a huge win for drone pilots who want an ultra-portable drone that can be flown hassle-free across various environments, from bustling cities to remote landscapes with stricter drone regulations. A key upgrade that's generating a lot of excitement is the potential inclusion of LiDAR sensors. This technology could completely transform how the Mini 5 Pro navigates its surroundings. LiDAR promises far more accurate object detection, obstacle avoidance, and even enhanced mapping. Early prototype images have reportedly shown LiDAR sensors on the Mini 5 Pro, which would make it one of the smartest drones in the Mini category. Imagine a drone that doesn't just dodge obstacles, it anticipates them. If the rumors are true, the Mini 5 Pro will provide more precise tracking and smarter navigation, even in complex environments. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just about performance upgrades, it's also getting a design refresh. Leaked CAD images and mock-ups suggest a slightly wider, more streamlined airframe. This redesign could accommodate new sensors and improve airflow for better stability and heat management during longer flights. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature precision landing sensors along with built-in LED ground illumination, a game-changer for night flights or low-light conditions. With these upgrades, even beginner pilots will have more confidence when landing in challenging environments. Now, let's talk about the camera, arguably the most exciting change. Rumors suggest that the Mini 5 Pro might include a 1-inch camera sensor, a significant upgrade over the 1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor means better low-light performance, sharper images, and improved dynamic range, bringing the Mini 5 Pro on par with DJI's more premium drones like the Air series. Whether you're capturing sunrise shots over a mountain range or filming fast-paced action scenes, a 1-inch sensor will ensure your footage is nothing short of cinematic. Expect rich colors, clearer detail, and smoother video in various lighting conditions. For content creators, a new 360-degree gimbal and vertical shooting capabilities are expected to make the Mini 5 Pro even more versatile. Whether you're shooting for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, the ability to capture perfectly framed vertical shots could make your content stand out. Plus, The new upward tilting camera will allow you to film from creative angles like shooting underneath bridges or tall structures, offering endless possibilities for dynamic shots. If the rumors are correct, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could deliver up to 50 minutes of flight time, a major jump from previous Mini models, which generally maxed out around 30-40 minutes. With improved aerodynamics, more efficient batteries, and smarter energy management, this extended flight time would give pilots more freedom to capture expansive shots without frequent recharges. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is also expected to come equipped with the OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, offering a 12 km+ range, 1080p live feed at 60 FPS, and lower latency. This means smoother real-time monitoring, even in challenging environments like dense forests or mountainous valleys. For FPV drone fans, this is a huge upgrade, providing a more immersive experience and better control at longer distances. On the software front, DJI is expected to introduce more AI-driven flight modes, including enhanced active track and quick shots features. These intelligent modes will allow the drone to track and frame subjects automatically, making it perfect for solo content creators. Whether you're walking, cycling, or running, the Mini 5 Pro could effortlessly follow you, capturing smooth, professional-grade footage with minimal effort. As for pricing, rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro will be priced around $999 USD, which is consistent with the Mini 4 Pro's price tag. Given the new features, from LiDAR and the 1-inch camera sensor to longer battery life and improved flight stability, this would be a competitive price for a drone that could compete with some higher-end models while keeping things lightweight and affordable. If you're already a proud owner of the Mini 4 Pro, whether or not you should upgrade depends on your needs. If you're after better obstacle avoidance, cinematic video quality, enhanced low-light performance, and longer battery life, the Mini 5 Pro might be the drone for you.